We're at the corner of Caven Point Road and Chapel Avenue, right by the New Jersey Turnpike, right across the harbor from New York City. The 99th Army Reserve Unit decided that this is a really critical geographical area that they need to maintain a reserve center in, and that's why we're doing this project. It's a full renovation, full demolition and complete renovation of the project. This is a Louisville contract for starters. They designed it and awarded it, and the New York District is administering the contract, doing contract admin and quality assurance. This facility for the Army Reserve's 99th Unit will have administration facilities, it will have a mess hall, it will have a training facility, and it'll also have physical fitness facility, which will include showers and changing rooms. Right now, we're installing the mechanical, the heating system, we're installing the plumbing system, we're installing additional structures. There are some small additions to the project. We're installing an elevator. Right now, we're doing the foundation for the elevator. We're also doing the roof. Once the roof is on and we have windows, we can start doing the interior finishes. Right now, the contract was awarded at $23.5 million, and we have $250,000 in change orders to the project so far. The New York District would like to thank Betty Beck, who was the project manager from the Louisville District on this project and other projects going back at least 15 years.